Hey guys, something's going to happen to you, eh? Oh shit, sorry, wasn't looking. We wasn't looking, was we, Brooke? Come on then. Yes, good boy. Hey guys, so it's a bit of a windy day today and I'm planning to take Brooke out for a walk with Ellie. She's going to take Marshall. I always get, I don't like the wind, and I don't know if I just don't like the wind generally as a person, or I don't like the wind because horses don't like the wind. So comment down below if you don't like wind. So the back bit has been opened up as well. So it means there's yummy grass in there. So it just means that Brooke doesn't come when he gets cold. Well, he probably can't hear me either because of the wind as well. So so hopefully we have a nice little walk, Brook and Marshall together. Darling, okay? How good he is. Oh, you're such a good boy. Hello. No. Hi. Oh. Come on then. You having a drink? Is that yummy? See, what I'd like to do, if it was my own place, I'd actually dig out a water hole, and there's perfect places to do that here that you don't really have to think about. But I think the horses really like the water, don't you? When it's free choice, when you're not pushing them into it, when they can choose to drink out of it, splash in it, especially in summer. It's nice, isn't it, Brooke? You love the water, don't you? Yeah, go through the puddles, no problem. It's alright, dude, we're not going anywhere. Yet. Are we? Are you sleepy now? Are you sleepy? Good boy. Can you touch? No, it's okay. Can you touch? Hey. Can you touch? Yes, good boy. Good boy. We're just spooking at the wire bits at the minute. You can hear Minnie. Yeah, we're just spooking at them, aren't we? Can you touch? It's all right. Come on. Did you? Hundred Acre Woods. Is that what it's called? Is that Winnie the Pooh? Yeah. Good boy. Oh, there's a deer. Oh, I slipped. It's okay. It's just me slipping. bye.